Yo, 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 what's good? How we doing? Good morning, good morning. Waffles and Donald, how we doing? I wonder if I can get, probably have to do it on this one. Better. All right, market's open. See what happens. See Sean, TCG Andy, good morning. Still breathing. Still breathing. Had a bit of eye strain yesterday, so I'm gonna try the old glasses today. I need to find the app to where I can control this light. I don't remember. I had the app on my old phone. I don't think I got it on this one. It's like some weird name. You guys want to play marbles this early? You want to wait for a few more people to get in here? Rob, good morning. How are you, sir? You want to play? Yes, sir. Increase your chances. Well, honestly, the chances on the death map don't really matter too much. Jason, good morning. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. The range today was actually pretty good if you scroll back to the when we hit the lows, but made a pretty big move starting around 540 this morning. We had a pretty straight up move. Really no pullback in sight there the entire way. The only time it hit the bands was in here, and even then it didn't pull back. So pretty scary situation there if you're a bands trader in the pre-markets. Since then we haven't touched. And I mean, had you held on through all this, which I mean, to be honest, you're only talking, was that 90? You're talking 32 points. I mean, that is a lot, but at the same time, manageable. Oh yeah, let me make my trade on the other account. Get that out of the way. Or maybe I'll wait till it slows down a bit. That way I don't get caught in something silly. I mean, it's just one MNQ. We should be alright. See if we can't get a little something real quick. Of course. See if it just comes back up to break even. We'll take it off. Or that. Come on. Why aren't the arrows popping up? They still pop up over there, I think. Chart settings. There we go. Fills and orders. Show fills. There we go. Did we lose a lot? Oh, lost 32 cents. It's fine. Yeah, well, I was about to say that too. We are getting very close to breaking the pivot high, which was, if we zoom in over here, we're looking at like 570. So 570 is that area. All right, so we got our trade there on that account, which puts us at 9 days traded. So tomorrow's Thursday. We're still under the 20% here. So we're essentially just today will be the 9th day traded. So then tomorrow will be the 10th. So in theory, at 6 o'clock, I could take the payout. However, I'm going to wait until Friday morning with you guys to take the payout because I want to time it. I want to see how fast the payouts are now because I haven't got one since they changed everything. Liz, what's going on? How you doing? Long time no see. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 5.5 minutes. You lost points? Well, that's a shame. You don't need the points anymore, but It's all about the coins. It's all about them coins. Speaking of the coins, let me go grab mine for the day. As well as claim my work coins. Dang, I got 444 coins today. 15 days in a row. I wonder if it's because of that. That's awesome. I'm very curious how high that'll get. Alright, now we play some Wordle as well. Oh, alright, we're breaking those highs. Let me switch back to the other account real quick so I don't mess that up. We can get a big push up towards 600, maybe even like 580. I'd be very interested here. Looking for the retest of this 540. Come on, more. Get up to like 65 at least. Go. Because then we at least have the 50 retest. Go. No. Higher first. Higher. There we go. Go. Push it one more time. Still hasn't retested 50. How much did that miss me by? Urgh. You know what I don't understand? Where does it tell you on here the actual candle stats? Is there a way on Tradeify to see the actual candle stats, like the high and the low? Looks like we're going to get filled anyway, but I was just curious. Oh, maybe not. Well, at least now I can still check it if I figure it out. There we go. I haven't figured out a way to do that. Let's see candle stats Tradeify. Now we're gonna get the full 540 retest possibly. Indicator values to data box. The data box. Price levels, not what I'm looking for. Yeah. Candlesticks. There's got to be a way. Oh, data box. Aha. The low of that candle was 552.75. And I was at 552.25. Ugh, 2 ticks. Brutal. We did almost get that full test. 540. Yeah, it went right to it. What was the high of this candle? 537. So it's close. Can I move this box? No, I can't. Why is it in such a weird spot? Oh, I can move it. Okay, sweet. Nice. Yeah, there's a little box here. I didn't even know it existed. Maybe I'll put it... I would like to have it on here. Maybe I'll just put it down here. Apparently it does this too. I didn't even know. If I take that off, does it do that? Oh, it does. Okay. I'm not going to leave the data box up, but if I'm ever curious, now I know how to do that. That's cool. All right, let me see. Orders. Marbles, you got 20 seconds. Get them in if you're just getting here. Exclamation point marbles. Yeah, I don't see the light that I bought. I'll have to look on it. All right, Marbles is closed. Let me get it loaded up here. Everyone did the Wordle already? Zishan stuck. Oh wait, is it still yesterday's? I don't even remember what yesterday's was, to be honest. Oh, yeah, I do, actually. Nah, it's not the same as yesterday's. Trading for pips. What's going on? Won't be able to trade. Lost power due to severe weather. Ugh. It's raining pretty heavy here, too. But it's not anything, like, severe. Alright, marbles. Continue. Race. We got how many members? Oh, we got quite a few here. We got 20. Oh, 5, 6, 7. All right, first one in was Jason. Then we had Waffles. Then we got Donald. Liz. Then I'm assuming Steve. Which leaves us with 2 more, which are, oh, actually Rob beat Steve. Let me make sure I get these in the right direction. Or right order, sorry. All right, then we got Steve. And last but not least, Mr. Justin. Then all the non-members puts us at 33. That move doesn't look good. Yeah. I do have a backup. Everything's on backup. I learned that the hard way once. Thankfully, I could still get out on my phone, but it feels like a polar ice cap here. Yeah, it's raining. It's raining pretty good here. All right, here we go. First race of the day. Good luck. First one up is Code Vala. If that's not a good sign, I don't know what is. All right, let me do the Wordle while you guys are making your way down. Let me answer my wife first. She had asked me a question. Change. Oh. What is okay? Oh, look at all them people getting shafted. I think I was one of them. Or I already had died, it looks like. Waffles and Justin out in front. Justin got 2. Here comes Jason. What? I just typed in a word. It's definitely it's a month. And it wouldn't let me type it for some reason. Zishan, you cheater. Don't cheat, man. It's no fun. It's a bad word to guess, but I'm gonna guess it anyway. Yeah, didn't give me anything extra. All right, we got Justin out in the lead here. I want to use that letter second this time. I just need to figure out a word that's still available. Ooh, Justin. Jason's out in front. Oh, that's not good. Jason, that's not the way on either of them. There's no way this makes it, right? Yeah, because it's got too much. Oh, but that one might. Justin. Stay right, stay right, stay right. Lose the top spin. No. Stupid top spin. Code vol. No, Donald! Donald! Somebody ban Donald right now! Somebody ban him! Donald! How dare you, Donald? Donald's like, if I can't win, nobody can. Johnny said, I got this. What's up, Justin? Oh, 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 oh. Come on, Johnny. Come on, Johnny. Oh, it's coming. It's coming around. Get it there. No! That was so close. Dang it. That was pretty close. That was pretty close. Exclamation point marbles as we watch the market absolutely get roughed up. Thinking about getting in long here. Where do I want to see this? I got a line kind of right where it's at. It's like trying to bounce right off of it. Another one here, pretty obvious one down here. If we were closer to the bands, I probably would trade this, but kind of scared. Even though it does look like it's going to bounce right off of it. I think it would have more of a chance of bouncing at the one under it, yeah. One above it wasn't really that good. It is getting demolished right now. Oh, look how close we are to 70,000. $69,999.06. Pretty funny. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Sorry, I forgot to say it. If it would have came down a little bit more, I was looking for the 450, which would have had to go through the line, so I guess. It's pretty choppy, though. These candles are really choppy. Be careful with that. Nice little rebound there. Has anyone won the death maps yet? No. Steve is asking. Nope, no one's won yet. All right. Let's see. All right, what words can I make with that as the second letter? How about this one? Are you kidding me? All right, at least I got some new letters. And now I know where that one's not. Ooh, exclamation point marbles, get them in. Man, what a bounce. Right off that area, too. Just looking at pre-market. It was a pretty heavy area. What a drop from the top there, too. Pretty crazy. How far was that? 70. Almost, it was a little over 100 points. Pretty straight down, too. All right, what could we possibly get here with these letters? Ooh. Let's go. Damn, Cody, you got it in 2? Steve as well? Steve had a really good first guess. Waffles got it in 3. Took me 4. Zishan didn't get it. I thought you cheated to get it, but you didn't even get it. All right. Where are we at on marbles? You got 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Get them in. I tried to change the music up a little bit today, but it wouldn't let me like change the stuff. It was very weird. Let me try again now, actually, just out of curiosity. See if it actually loads. Oh, it actually did it that time. All right, after the song, I'll try switching it. Ooh, nice little drop here. Under 50, down towards like 40, 30, something like that. I'm definitely interested here. How much should we make on that first trade? 259, not bad. You get the Wordle yet? I did. It took me four tries. Thank you for tagging me. Sometimes I look over, I just don't see some of the things that go by, especially with the marbles on trees and stuff. Took you 5. Are you doing it in the Gamble channel? Because it should show you what everyone else got, etc. Oh yeah, there you are. The big D. Your icon's the big D. Marbles, we got 50 seconds. Get them in if you haven't. Looks like we're missing 2 members from last time. I got Steve, Liz, Rob, Justin, and Donald. Who else was in there? Waffles, I think, was one. Who else? Somebody else was in there. I'll check real quick. Jason. It was Jason. I know Jason's actually trying to work, so. Oh, there they both are. 15 seconds. Caitlin, good morning. Here we go. Lord Incognito, first one up. I went to bed at like normal time last night. I went to bed literally with my son right when the Orioles blew it in the 8th inning. And man, sometimes it just throws me completely off. Like, I'm not used to getting that much sleep. Waffle's gonna get shafted. No. Oh, you just snuck by. It almost looked like you went through it. Liz got shafted. Where am I? Where am I? Oh, I'm through. Lauren, go, go, go. No, Zelda, wrong way. Zelda, no. Donald, everyone, like all of yours. 1, 2. Donald got shafted. He got one by. Caitlin, last one. Oh, no. Lord Incognito. Caitlin, no, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait. No! Caitlin, shafted. Lord Incognito, what you going to do? Better slow it down. Better slow it down or you're going to get shafted. No! Oh! Oh! He got pushed so hard. You got shafted so hard that it let you move on. Lord Incognito got so shafted. Looks like we filled the gap or difference between futures and Qs. Might get a recovery. That game was ridiculous. Missing outfield pop-ups. Yeah. Don't get me started. The fact that we made it to the 8th inning tied, and then our best relief pitcher gets blown up. A home run, a triple, and then a triple. Back to back to back. Like, what? Justin going for it. Looking good. No, it went left. Why'd that go so left? Where am I at? No, that's definitely not going to work either. Oh, no, that's not going to work either. GDT? No, that's not going to work. Who else we got coming? It's about to fly by, whoever it is. Tay-Tai, I see you. I see you, Tay-Tai. Come on. Come on, Tay-Tai. Perfect line. As long as Donald doesn't come in and try to ruin it. Get in there. Ah! Lauren Lowe, get in there. Oh, rim job. Lord Incognito. I don't think that's going to have enough juice. Nope. Nope. No juice. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 10 minutes. Frustrating. Did you all see the Tradeify video that I put out yesterday? I'm curious to what you guys thought. I was trying to be a little bit more upbeat in the video, but still kind of get across the main stuff. And I'm trying to make like videos that aren't too long. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Thank you, Tony. Yeah, I'm just curious to your guys' thoughts. Like, I'm trying to improve on the videos I put out, etc. So, any feedback is always welcome. Can I use prop firms to become a full-time trader and professional trader? I mean, as long as they're around, I don't see why not. I mean, you do need to be able to use them and make money with them. So, as far as finding one and actually making money with them is the first goal. Like, you still have to be a good trader. Like, just because they're prop firms, like, yeah, they give you a lot more of an advantage, where if you're not a good trader, because it makes your actual money that you're putting into it last a lot longer. But if you want to get any money out, you still need to be a good trader. This looks like it wants to go lower. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. We're not breaking down. We got 4 minutes and 30 seconds for marbles. I don't know how these TV shows, I mean, that's why they're always talking about gibberish, because there's like when the market's like this, like, what are you talking about? Like, you can only say so much. Apparently I had 2 different Discord accounts, one on my phone and one on my work computer. Just realized this morning I didn't have the points. I knew I should have them. Well, what? I don't really know what you want me to do about that. How do you have 2 when you need a phone number to approve one of them? Shouldn't they be the same account? I would recommend, so are you at work? I would log out of the one at work and just log into the one at work that you have at home. You deleted the one on your phone? Okay, so you're good now? If Tradeify TV played marbles, that would be amazing. You're good? All right, cool. I that's what I keep saying. I wish I had the viewership that they have. Can you imagine we had 2,000 people watching and we'd actually have 1,000 marbles on the track each time? Like, that would be so much fun. That, like, I feel like that's one of the hugest, like, one of the huge disappointments that my stream hasn't taken off is because of how fun marbles would be. I don't really know what else to do to grow the stream. I mean, I'm going to try putting out videos again just to see if that helps bring some people. But I mean, what brought you guys to the stream? Like, how did you guys find the stream? And maybe that'll help. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Through videos. Yeah, I kind of thought that might be the case, so I figured I would start putting some more videos out. And then, like, if you watch some of my videos, then maybe it'll pop up that I'm live, and then you're like, oh, I didn't know he goes live, kind of thing. Through gaming. Yeah, Justin, you're a different story. Zishan, I could never forget about you. I remember I found you from Reddit, NGDT. Yeah, always here in Reddit's always interesting because I've never like posted on Reddit about me, like my channel. So anyone that found me from Reddit is just like word of mouth, like someone else said something. Now we're trying to break those lows. I think it was the Quantower setup. Yeah, I want to do more of those videos as well, where I do setup type videos. I like doing those. Nice, Donald. I found you on a humble, and I've seen that you actually have the chart and analyze what is happening. Yeah, unfortunately, there's not many people that actually are like, I hate the direction that a lot of the YouTube spaces went. Like, a lot of it is just entertainment now, right? Like, they're not even necessarily focused on the actual trading. It's frustrating. You, Rob, you weren't supposed to say that. Good old Baltimore. Good old Baltimore. Oh, marbles is up. Hopefully you all signed up because I didn't remind you all. Yep, you did. Sweet. Make sure there's nobody new. Donald, Liz, Z, Steve, Justin, Jason, Rob. Oh, yeah, we're good. Sweet. I already got it up and ready too, so we're good there. 34. First time I entered marbles, I didn't know how it worked. I was the last surviving marble, thought I was supposed to win. Yeah, that's when we were doing the death maps. I like doing the ones where someone would win all the time, but unfortunately it was getting taken advantage of. So here we are. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it, Piano Trader. First one up. These maps are fun too, because the unknown, right? Like you never know when someone is actually going to win, right? If you run, it was like 300 bucks. Yeah, I'm thinking it's going to be at least 300 bucks the first time somebody wins this, because I'm not going to change it. Like I said, it's going to be 3 figures, but probably not 4. But if it goes long enough, maybe we make it 4. Because yeah, I was doing 5% of my affiliate income from Apex at the time. Which, to be honest, my affiliate, I could probably do that again, and it would be less than it was before, because Apex affiliates have went down considerably. Did I make it by? It looked like I was about to get shafted. No, I got shafted. I got the shaft. Piano Trader, first one up, getting the shaft. Justin getting shafted. Liz doesn't want to get shafted today, I guess. Steve's back there, though. I can still get him shafted if he makes it. Might get some balls to the face first. Oh, you just missed that balls to the face. He's through. Steve gonna get shafted. Oh, he might have this time. Oh, no, he's gonna slow down. Oh, he might shaft himself. Oh, he just made it. Oh, he's gonna be so far behind. I'm sure you made a lot from me with Apex. I always use your code. I mean, it all adds up, yeah. But Apex was, I think, like, especially when most people... Oh, no! What a bounce. I don't think I've ever seen one bounce like that. That's crazy. Apex, most people are signing up when it's 90% off or 80% off. So I'm only getting like $2 to $5 per account. So, I mean, again, it does add up, but it's also not a crazy amount. It's not like Patrick Whelan. I don't know. I mean, you have to do the math on his. That's insane. He was making 100. What was it? Like he was making like 100 grand a week, 120 grand a week. That's insane. And that was just from Apex. Like I can't even fathom what he's making with all of them combined. Is not a single person's going to make it in the hole. Oh, we still got the last Steve one. What, Pete? I mean, how hard, I don't think it's the code. I think it's just he has that following and he makes everyone believe that you can just get 20 accounts and gamble to success. But the problem with him is that he's not even a successful trader. He never has been. Too much top spin. Oh, I did it. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Tim Gertani and Steven Ducks. I mean, I'm sure they're still trading. I mean, yeah, his code's easy, but a lot of people's codes are easy. It doesn't mean... I mean, I don't think that has that much to do with it. I think it's just the fact that he's just that popular. I just don't think I could sell out like he did for any amount of money. Although, I mean, the amount of money he's making is pretty insane. Like that would... The amount of money he's making, if he can keep that going for even a couple years, I mean, you're talking generational wealth. I mean, it's insane. He's controversial. I know. It's the same with all the other people that have grown quickly. It's all the same. They're all controversial. And it's like, I get it. I know that I could grow if I just started throwing names around and like talking my piece, stuff like that. But I just don't. I'm just not that person. I don't want that smoke in my life. Like, I don't want any sort of a target on my back for any reason. Like, I just don't. I mean, I'll sit here and tell you the truth about them. Like, if the people that are watching me ask, but I'm not going to go out of my way to make videos. And the only reason I made those Scott videos for Fast Track Trading was because that was my way of trying to warn people not to use them. I mean, the writing was on the wall from the beginning with that company. And that was just my way of trying to warn people. But like, to go throw shade at Patrick, like, that's not going to do me any good. Or anybody for that matter. Like, what is it really going to benefit me? Maybe a little bit monetarily, but that's not my goal in life. You're going to sell me out? I mean, I don't really know how you can sell me out. I speak the truth at all times. Like, I'm not hiding anything. So, it's so easy to live life when you're always telling the truth. It really is, because you don't ever have to worry about anything. Just makes everything so much easier. YouTube has blacklisted you for bad mouthing FTT. Yeah, maybe. I don't know what happened with the algo, man, but it does not like me. Oh, you mean in a dirty way? Do we have any more news today? It's almost 10:30. That's usually a big news spot. Wednesday. Nope. At 9:59, we had the Richmond Manufacturing Index. I didn't really notice that at all. And then 2 o'clock, there's FOMC. Maybe that's why it's a little slow after the initial opening there. I'm getting tired of looking at this 69,999.06 though. I kind of want to take a trade just to get rid of it. Oh, look, penny stock chart. Come on, NQ, do better. Now we might get a dive here. I'm watching it. I'm going to just move this down just so I can catch. There we go. Go, break it. That was the 50 break and everything. So if we can get down to like 30, I'm game. No, don't retest. Don't retest. Don't retest. No. Keep going. There you go. Go. One more big push. Come on. That's not a big push. It's going to go retest. It's going to retest. Told you. All right, well, at least we got rid of the 6999999. Up 383 now on the day. Nothing to shake at, but a little frustrating because, man, that account should be at payout. I convinced myself that I'm not going to YOLO that account anymore because we did have a few good trades, but I am still going to trade it a little bit more aggressively to try to get back up to that 80,000. But we have to get to the point where the trade's worth taking the extra risk, right? Like, we're not even close to the bands there. Now, if we were close to the bands, I'm probably loading up a little bit more. But the music came on at the perfect time. That's a beautiful number. Don't hate. I'm not hating on the number. I was just tired of looking at it. I wanted to see the 70. Dang, I should have held it. Marbles, you got 3:30, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, Bubba's. Oh, you're all wet. You're all wet. Got 1 minute for marbles. Get them in. Looks like we're missing a member. Got Rob, Donald, Justin, Steve, and Liz. Who are we missing? Jason? It's Jason. Oh, Zishan popped in there. Did I have you in there already? See? I don't think I did. It means we're also missing someone else. Waffles. Waffles is the other one. Were you in the last one, Z? I don't think you were. If you were, I totally forgot to put your extra marbles in there. My bad. Karen's been around, but not Donovan. I don't know where she's been or he's been. Maybe he's out on like a trip or something. Dirt biking. All right, this is going to be it for me. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Oh, didn't mean that. Quantum 1157, first one up. Starting to slow down. We'll see if the chart decides to do anything here before the race is over. If it starts to try to go lower, I'll sit here and try to trade, but this will be our last marbles race for today. go work on a video. I think I'm gonna look into doing a video for Take Profit Trader and kind of update on that as well. Anything you guys are interested in about Take Profit Trader that you'd like to see in a video? They finally fixed your accounts last night? Nice. Yeah, I was literally thinking about that as I was talking about them. You could also do a compare video with like TPT, Apex, TopStep, etc. It's not a bad idea. I don't really know. So here, you guys help me. What would you like? What are the top things that you guys care about when you're looking at which prop firm to use? Like what are the things? Like obviously cost, but the type of account, I feel like most people have the same type of account, but like when you're looking into the rules, etc. Johnny, I don't think I've ever seen anyone do that either. That's two things today that I don't think I've ever seen on this map. And we've played this map a lot. But like what things are you looking for out of a company before you decide to sign up with them? Like I think those are the things that I'm most interested. Like I want to put videos out that people actually feel like they've seen what they're coming to see, kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? Top spin. Oh, maybe. Do I need some help from the hammer? Nope. I think that's too far left. Unless you get some crazy good bounce. No, it's going to go too far. Ooh, Mom. Where'd you come from? Nope. Lauren's in. Bump, though. Piano Trader got to go right. Go right. Money Printer 99. He's got the right track. Get in there. No bump. Go away, lasers! Huh, huh! They went away right at the right time. It's coming around. Get in there. Get in there. No! Oh, come on. Ugh. Dirty. It was there. So dirty. Just popped right over it. You had too much speed. All right, so here, hold on. Let me write these down. Payout, consistency, total cost. By the way, I do try to do some of this on my website, but I really dumbed it down. Time it takes to reach payout. How about this? Sorry. You're all wet. You're all wet. Don't you even think about jumping up here. You're too wet. Min days to pass eval. Cost for funded, if there is one, right? Because a lot of them don't have that anymore. Min days to pass eval, cost for funded, min days for payout. Also a good question. Payout consistency, a number. Yeah, I'm actually going to start ordering these a little bit. Let's see. Cost for funded, then payout consistency, min days. Oh, we actually are possibly going to break the lows here. Min days, those should be, that should be under here. The two rules I don't like are the intraday drawdown and minimum days traded. All right, yeah, so that's actually a good question. So rules, I'll put that one under rules. Intraday or end of day drawdown. I guess it could be static too. Evals too. Well, like I could just put eval cost and then total costs. Yeah, the daily drawdown limit it sucks, especially the intraday. That's why if you have noticed me, I've pretty much, I only trade end of day accounts now. I don't think I've traded. The only trailing account that I've traded is because Take Profit Traders funded accounts are trailing. But other than that, I have simply traded all end of day. Maybe tips and tricks to trade drawdowns, etc. I personally just use 1-to-1 and never have to worry about drawdown for Apex. One trade, that's it. Yeah, that's very true. Like if you're not scaling into a trade like me, most of the people that are doing like 1-to-1 type trades, you don't have to worry about drawdown because you always know exactly how far away you are from it. That's a good point. I can definitely add something like that. Which one has Quantower versus Tradeify? Yeah, I don't know enough about Tradeify to really put the two next to each other, but I do like a lot of things that Quantower does that Tradeify doesn't. But I'm pretty sure like you can make do with both. It's really just a personal preference. I'm trying to wait to see if this actually breaks down or not. So the futures desk, by the way, I made a trade yesterday and it put me back to positive on the account. So I don't have the boosted base hit anymore. So now I'm back to basically break even. I'm up a little bit, but I went a little over the amount. So the target goal was 4,000, but I went like 33 over. I think that was yesterday. So now we're back to this 580 a day. What do you think? You think we're just going to break down? So maybe we'll just take a short, ride the trend. I don't know. It's holding support. If it does break here, I mean, we could be in for a ride. All the way down to this other low at 400. Let's see what happens. We'll put a stop above that previous pivot. So risking 300 to try to make 320 to try to make, what was it? 580? Yeah, 580. It's way down here. It's still above that 400 though. That's what we'd be looking for. Looking for it to break the lows and continue down. And if we do break the lows, I'm going to move my stop to break even. Because at that point, there's no reason to let this go back against me. All right, that's close enough. So now if we can actually break through and hold and push down lower, we got a nice green trade. If not, we just take the small win and move on if it's a fake out. But we're hoping it would break down lower than that, right? And then come back up and retest that and then move down. But so far it's just kind of acting as a fake out. So we can't lose on the trade, which is good, right? We got the push down. The only thing is we're trying to maximize here because we were willing to whisk. We were willing to whisk 300 bucks on this. So you got to put a profit target out, and if you're going to trade like this, you got to be willing to be patient. Because if it's going to work, it's going to work. If not, then hey, at least you took essentially a free trade. Everything is pointing to it wants to break down, but you know how the NQ likes to play games. Blah. Reject it. Reject it. Reject it. Reject it. All the way down. we can reject all the way back down, this might actually go. See, I was taking Rob's advice. Nah, it's gonna come up and get us. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. All the way down. All the way down. Nope. It was a liquidity grab, unfortunately. All right. Oh well. We made 32 bucks. Big whoop. If this thing dies now, I'm gonna be pretty frustrated. Because then it has nothing to do with my entry, because my entry was kind of random. Are you kidding me? I still think this is just a liquidity grab. I think this is going to move back up into the range, but who knows? All right, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to start working on a video. I'm actually going to grab something to eat real quick. I'm pretty hungry. I will be here tomorrow morning, same time, same place. I appreciate y'all being here. And until tomorrow, have a good rest of your day. If you want to keep talking, I'll be in the Discord. I appreciate y'all being here. Peace.